Earl's watching the basketball game. Yeah. Well, I wasn't watching most of. I didn't watch all of this beginning of it because I was watching the end of Utah versus Philly. Watching Cody Williams and Keontae George and Bona. Yeah, he's a good ball player from UCLA. He's playing at Philly now. And the council kid was playing there. That Dalton Jr.'s got a really soft shot. Yeah, for Philly. And but I was watching the game, watching kids play basketball for lots of fake ass money. You know, the one thing that's got me smiling though, that I know, I know that you know that I know, Ralphie boy. Guys, you don't need surveillance to prove left from right, right from wrong, and all these. The Gospels, you can write it down and then say you know what it means, but you didn't live it and you're not a part of it. You're only part of it is like you're part of DARPA, Homeland Security, or the NSA or NASA. Okay. I live kind, courageous, faithful life. I got put into the bowels of hell to clean it up. Jesus told me, Adam and Eve told me I had to marry Stephanie, that it was important to have Patrick. And it was, because of the things that happened with that. And Jesus told me I had to stay with Amy because of what was happening with Natalie. And I didn't want to when Amy was going to leave me and take Natalie and leave me with Noah and Patrick. And then it would have just been me and Noah and Patrick. But I didn't because of Jesus told me I was in the shower at Belmont in our little yellow tile shower. He said, you can't. You have to stay. And Treese is still mad at me to this day that I stayed to take care of Natalie instead of got a divorce and made it the Patrick Noah, bachelor pad, which would have, I don't know how that would have worked, guys. I don't know if they would have tried another woman. No, I wouldn't have. I would have gone in a completely different direction, but I had to do what Jesus asked me to do. And that was be a part of this sexual abuse cesspool that is the U.S. corporations that call itself the government, and clean it the fuck up. And it doesn't require surveillance. It just requires past, present, future operating at the same time, faithful, reliable communications. Jesus didn't have surveillance. Muhammad didn't have surveillance in the past. But we know the images of their lives, the thoughts and the actions that everybody based their lives upon. Okay? The best people to find out what really happened with Job, Jonah, and Jonah is talk to them and ask them. If you're a faithful person, they'll talk to you. If you're not, when you ask Jesus for something, I had to help him when I was a little kid. I told him about the nuclear war stuff on that transistor radio. I said it was stupid and I wanted his help. I didn't want it to happen. And his basically reply to me was like a 8 or 9 year old kid was, you're going to have to help me. Okay. Because he's not a God. He's a man. He's a faithful man that helps us all be faithful people. So we're not threatening to blow each other up with nuclear weapons or put up surveillance satellites through NASA and then sexually manipulate and abuse children to have people selling underwear on TV, right? You don't need to sell me underwear. You don't need to sell anybody underwear. It's disgusting to become a billionaire and a millionaire selling people underwear when people are being murdered over money and raped over money. Okay? You want to be more popular selling products. I don't even know if that actor who's cleaning up that mess on your TV is really named Earl. Yo, I'm Earl. Is that the stuff that Kim Kardashian sells, the skins? I'm Earl. Don't sell nothing. Share, care, give in accordance to need. Built to last. Don't be caught selling nothing. Post-apocalypse. Okay? I am the best man in the world. I was the best basketball player that ever lived. Okay? I gave it away to save children from genocide. To save family from genocide. I didn't give it away. I turned it down. I had better things to do. I had to save children from becoming egotistical, violent, sex cult perverts. Nothing held me back from it, and nothing would stop me, and I'm very consistent. And the technology is aware of that. The technology works off thought, language, and action, good and bad. Remember old Walton? Sustainability. Okay? Manipulated relationships don't work. Reflecting the truth of your eternal existence through faith and infinite glory is beautiful and perfect. Hi, I happen to be beautiful and perfect. You guys go get your picture taken and give Barack Obama a hug. And remember, he sat and watched my family be sexually abused and compromised in Sierra Vista, Arizona, and didn't do a damn thing to help me stop it. I had to do it for him and his wife and his daughters. Understand? Okay, let's load this up. I don't expect you to load it up fast, but since it's only about 5 minutes, it only should take about an hour and a half. Right? All you little trifling people. You need to change real quick.